Hey friends, so guess what? When I got home from my vacation in Las Vegas, I had this sitting on my desk. My son even unpacked everything for me. He unpacked everything for me and put it in this cute little bag. And this is the bag that I earned for my April sales incentive. And thanks to you, I earned that. So I appreciate you so much. But I was so excited to get it. And I'm going to show you some of the product that I ordered recently. Some new products that are actually coming out in the mini catalog, which won't go live until September of this year, and also some new online exclusives. So let's get started. So the bag holds quite a bit, and it has these little dividers here that actually come out if you want to take them out. I opted to, configure them to how I would need it. So like I have my DSP back here right now, and then I have some stamp sets here, some ribbon and embellishments on this side. Is this not the cutest? And then there's lots of pockets. I could put like my scissors, my take your pick tool, my paintbrushes, some pens, some markers. I mean, this is, of course, adhesive. So this is really a cute little bag. And again, I can't thank you enough for your orders that you placed, allowing me to reach my sales goal for April. I mean, thank you so, so much. So let's dig in and see what I got here. So let's see, where should we start? Let's start with, so this is called, let's see, Need for Tweed. When I first got this, I was like, did I order that? Yeah, I did. It's very similar to the other, it goes with the textured note suite. I don't remember what the DSP is called off the top of my head though. But I thought this was so cool because I really like Berber rugs. I don't know what it is. I just really, really like them. And this just reminded me of Berber. And plus, I just love all the texture on this. Isn't this just gorgeous? I mean, it's just so realistic. So that's the A side. And then we have the B side. We have some Secret Sea, some basic beige, I guess. And we have some greens with reds, which is kind of Christmassy. Then this could be like fall, right? So this is a gorgeous set, and I had forgotten that I ordered that. I know, surprise, right? All right, so what else did we get? I also ordered, and this is the set that's going to be available come September in the mini catalog. It is called Peaceful Garden, and the paper is just amazing. I did opt to get the full suite. We have what's called Creativity Now, which will be in June or July? June, actually. Yeah, I'm actually going to be missing it because that's the, we're flying back from Las Vegas and that's when they're having it. But the nice thing is they're recording it so I can watch it afterwards and then I can make the cards. But isn't this paper just gorgeous? I mean, look at all the textures and the beautiful prints on this. I just love it. And, I'm really a sucker for like blues and navies. I don't know. I just love them so much. So I'm already showing you the back sides of each sheet. But isn't that beautiful? I just love it. And then it also came with some sparkly paper in, let's see, what color is this in? These are blue, so I guess it's any kind of blue. Dark gray and soft green. Okay, let's see what we got here. And these are one-sided, but I think that there's 3 sheets of each. Yeah, there's 2 sheets of each. So aren't they just pretty? Look at that. Look at how they sparkle. Oh, so gorgeous. Now let me show you the rest of the suite. So it also came with some ribbon, Misty Moonlight. Isn't that beautiful? Look at the silver trim on that. Oh my goodness. And I also think that these were the embellishments that were with that set, but I'm not 100% sure. I think they were though. And then we have an embossing folder, Peaceful Greenery 3D embossing folder. Is that not beautiful? I mean, can't you see like pictures in here or beautiful sentiments? Oh, actually, these are the gems that came with these. So I'm not sure what these are. I think I just like them. Anyway, really cute. Let me put that back in there. Okay, so these are the ones that coordinate with the set. Hues of Blue Flowers. Pretty. All different blues. And then we have the Peace on Earth stamp set and the coordinating dies with the doves. How pretty are they? All right, so that's one. The next one I got is called Charming Day, which is, I think I kind of missed this from the last online exclusive. I don't know how I missed it, but I think I did. But I love this beautiful rose on the stamp set. Isn't that so pretty? I love that. I can't wait to color that. And then it's also comes with the dies. And then we also have one of these dies that just you know, it's not one that you stamp and cut it. You just kind of like cut it out. There's a few of those. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then our beautiful Charming Day paper. Although I don't think it's called Charming Day. Let's see, what's it called? Oops. This is called Floral Charm Designer Series paper. So again, really beautiful floral images, and the colors are just so beautiful. They remind me of like watercolor flowers. They're pretty. That. Oh, look at this purple one. Oh my gosh, is that gorgeous? Oh. And then we have our B-side, which are more subtle in solids. Isn't that pretty? Oh, so pretty. So pretty. Okay, so moving right along. And then, what else did I get? Oh, I bought a set of, these are Jolly Holly, so like Christmas type sets. Oh, I guess you saw that already. So this is called Jolly Holly, and isn't that so pretty? I love the fonts, I love the sayings, so pretty. And that comes with a hybrid embossing folder and the dies. So this big die here actually cuts out these images in the center, so that's really pretty. And then what else do I have in here? I think, let's see, we got some ribbon I bought, and then some gems. So I have Secret Sea. This is Secret Sea, and it is the linen ribbon, faux linen ribbon. It rhymes, linen ribbon. So this is the Secret Sea. It's one of our new in colors. And I also bought the same thing in cloud cover. So isn't that pretty? I like those. Very simple, just like me. And then we have some braided thread in petal pink. Braided trim, I'm sorry. Braided trim. We have some gems. Charming shimmer faceted dots. I wonder if these go with the Charming Day set. They might. And then these, I hadn't gotten them the last time when I purchased the Turtly Awesome, but this one coordinates with that set. So there's that. And then what else did I get? Oh, then I got this one, which I had wanted for a long time, and I finally bought it. I bought it as a suite because we have the buy one, get one. Buy one, get one, 50% off suite. So Inspiring Imperfections. Aren't they gorgeous? And then we have the dies. I think there's just the one set of dies. Okay. And then the embossing folder called Join Together. So really pretty. And the DSP is also really gorgeous. It has, it's called Kintsugi Inspiration. Now, as I understand it, kintsugi is a type of broken china and stuff, something like that. So these are this would, I guess, would be the B side maybe, because there's no gold going through it, but still really pretty. I love these colors. And then we have our B side or A side. I guess this is really the A side with the gold all through it. So isn't that gorgeous? Look at this paper. Oh my gosh. Wow. Look at that. How pretty. And then these vases, I believe you can use the dies to cut them out. Or you can fussy cut them. And then we have this and then the blue one. So that is all that I purchased this go around. I do plan on purchasing during our sale a couple of more items, but that's it for now. But my lovely bag, how cute is that? And it does hold quite a bit. I mean, it's not even stuffed yet. So anyway, friends, thanks so much for joining me. You know, I didn't have a card for you because I just got back from vacation. So this was just a really quick video. And I hope you have a great day. And I will have a video for you the following week, though. So till then, bye-bye.